G'day everyone, Matt from Panda Garage here. Today we are doing more work on the Commodore. Hopefully we can get this done soon as possible because I've had enough of looking at it. So what we're going to do today is we're actually going to remove the guard and we're preparing to be replacing all these panels. So stay tuned as we get started here on Panda Garage. Okay, so what we're doing here today is we're going to get started on removing this panel. We've been talking about it for a while. Initially we're going to try and repair it, but it's too far gone. So essentially what we're going to do is get this ready to be removed, and then we can go to the wreckers and then we'll do the exact same way of removing that panel, and then we can just put the new panel on this car. So we'll get stuck into it right now. Okay, to access the other bolts, it's looking like we've got to open the door. I've seen those ones before. Undo under there, there's some under the skirt, and there's some behind the headlight, which means whole front bumper's got to come off. Now, a bit of inspection, see where all these other bolts are, and then we should be right to start trying to get this guard off. Okay everyone, so it's the next day. I'm still wearing the same clothes, but it's the next day. And we're still working on the greatest piece of shit of all the time, this bloody Commodore. It's a bit more progress. There's an actual screw hidden in here. You can see through that hole there. See like a, oh god. Just down the back there, there's like a screw hole. And that's where the hidden screw was. But since I pulled all this panel off, now it's loose. I've still got to get this off, which it's so frustrating. I don't know, Holden just had to keep adding and adding and adding to this thing. Like, why does it need to be behind that side skirt? Why can't we just disconnect it easily? But so I'm going to get started on trying to remove the bottom part, but we've made some progress. That's the most important thing. But I'm just over working on this car. It's just fighting me the whole way, and it's incredibly frustrating. So I'm going to get back to you guys in a sec. It's just a bit windy today, so I'm not going to really have the camera out too much, but I'll see how it goes. Oh, I can't believe this. We actually got the damn thing off. Now this has been the greatest pain in the ass I feel like I've ever experienced. Now, you would have seen that video. I should have played Benny Hill music to that thing because that was like a complete joke, but I only disconnected like half up to about the back door of the side skirting and just managed to push it down with my foot. So for anyone that's actually wanting to do this themselves, it's going to be a bit time consuming, but essentially there's two 10mm bolts here. There's a 10mm bolt on the inside of the door there. There's a 10mm bolt here. There's 10mm bolt there, 10mm bolt there, 10mm bolt there. There's also two 10mm bolts at the front here. You've got two torque screw, I think they're a T30, so make sure you check that. And there's a few screws generally holding the actual guard in place. So if you're looking to do that yourself, all you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and a T30 torque screw. And that's it basically. So we've got this off. Now I've just got to do this down at the wreckers, which now I know how to do it. Shouldn't be too hard, but it's going to be just so time consuming. I don't know where that came from. I think it's from the indicator, but it's off anyway. But we've got it off. That's the most important thing, is that we've got this bloody thing off. I can happily say that, mate, I'm tired. That's exhausting and frustrating. I've just learned to hate this car at the moment. It's just bloody awful to work on. Okay, so that's it for this video today. Next video we will be going to the wreckers, getting the panels that we need. We'll probably be looking at maybe a front bumper, the side guard here as well. If we can't get a front bumper, we'll just paint the one we already got, as you've seen in the previous videos. So thank you all so much for watching. Remember to check us out on Facebook and Instagram, the Panda Garage, just for updated content and any sort of behind the scenes sort of stuff. Remember to leave a comment down below if you've got any ideas or suggestions you'd like to see on the channel. Until next time guys, my name's Matt, this has been Panda Garage. I'll see you guys next time.